Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to get free hearts in Sololearn. So, in Sololearn, hearts or lives allow you to continue learning without interruptions. If you run out, you can earn free hearts using the following strategies. So, first one is daily rewards. You can log in daily because Sololearn offers daily rewards which sometimes include free hearts. So, open the app daily to claim these rewards without missing out. Now the second way is completing lessons or challenges. So finish lessons because completing lessons or quizzes often grants you hearts as a reward. You can participate in challenges by competing in coding challenges that will help you to earn free hearts. Now you can watch ads. Go to hearts section when you run out of hearts. Then select the option to watch a short ad in exchange for free hearts. Now, you can maintain a learning streak by consistently completing lessons so you can achieve streaks. Longer streaks often reward you with hearts or other bonuses. Now, fifth way to do this is inviting friends. Share your Sololearn referral link with friends. When they sign up and start learning, you may receive a bonus rewards including free hearts. Now, you can join the Sololearn community. Participate in discussions or post helpful content in the community tab. Activate participation sometimes lead to recognition and rewards from the platform. Now, seventh way to do this is use Sololearn Pro free trial. So, Sololearn Pro offers unlimited hearts. Start a free trial of Pro to enjoy unrestricted access and cancel before the trial ends if needed. By following these methods, you can ensure a steady supply of hearts to keep learning without spending money. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.